In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair boats in Blox Fruits. So, to be able to repair boats and ships, so both, you will first need to acquire the shipwright subclass, which you can do once you complete at least 50 sea events, such as ship raids and sea beasts in the second and third sea. Now once you complete that, you have to head to the Tiki outpost in the third sea and enter the large temple building next to the dock. Now you have to climb to the top floor and jump through the hole in the floor to reach the secret room, and in there you'll find an NPC called the Shipwright Teacher. So the Shipwright Teacher will then present you with a quest to defeat 20 sharks at sea, and the best fruits to use against them are M1 fruits like Kitsune fruit, okay? So after defeating the sharks, go back to the Shipwright Teacher, and he'll present you with one legendary scroll. Exit the conversation and approach him yet again, and he will offer you to sell you the Shipwright subclass for 3,000 fragments. Now, once you've bought the subclass, go to the trees closest to you and chop them down for a chance to get wooden planks. Now, you have to collect the wooden planks and return to the ship. If it's damaged, you'll see a green hammer icon next to the ship's health bar. Now, I wrote ship here, but this also applies to boats, okay? Then you have to press the hammer icon to start repairing your ship, and you are all set for sailing. You have successfully repaired your ship or boat. Now you can keep repairing your boat to level up your repair skill and increase your repairing speed, which is essential to winning battles in the sea. So that's basically how you repair your boat in Blox Fruits, and I hope this video helped you out.